So, the world's slowest guitar interpreter continues. I'm not a teacher, I'm an instructionalist, whatever. It's probably hot out, and I'm bored. And, when you have to slow the video down or speed it up, it affects the pitch. So, I guess you won't have to do that with this one. So, I've been doing the clean Metallica parts, particularly the earlier years. Did Fade to Black, Sanitarium, part of Fade to Black. Just the ones that were similar. Didn't do everything. So, in the middle of Master of Puppets, the breakdown, the nice, sweet, soulful, clean part. Really goes from a sort of E minor thing to a D major, and then to a C, and then to an A of some sort, and then back to an E. All Metallica songs are an E. Helps when it's the lowest note, it helps. So, it is 0220. It's the 2, and the A, and the D, and the G's open. Then do a D major, with some pull-ups. And then to there. Can't get everything on the screen. So, it's difficult in slowing it down. So, after the D pull off, go into a type of C, C5 or whatever it is, where you start on the A, 2nd fret D, and then 3rd on the B string. This is the notes we learn as far as the order. And then tune the D, open the E. And then open A to the 2nd fret of the G. We got 2nd fret A, 2nd fret on the G, and the B in there. And then we got 1st fret on the D, 2nd on the G, and you're hitting the open B note. So. So there's that clean part.